So guys, this is my second attempt on making a corset, and I'm actually going to be using and recycling old jean to make this particular corset. I remade the pattern because the last pattern I used, I made some mistakes. I had to make correction. I didn't make a video of me cutting it because I forgot actually. So this is the pattern I'm going to be using. It's a three-part corset. And this is the old jean I'm using. I'm recycling to make the corset, and I cut many parts on the corset for the bias that I'm going to use for the boning. You see, I'm going to drop here. That's it. I'm going to use for the boning of the clothes. I'm so excited because I know it's going to come out beautiful. It's going to come out lovely. Like instead of like a jean jacket, it's going to be a jean corset. Who wouldn't love that? It's going to come out amazing. I promise. So this is the corset I'm trying to recreate. Exactly this. So this is me. You guys don't forget to like and subscribe. This is me trying to get it right, trying to set up my machine and all those things. So I'm trying to get set up. I have my boning and everything close by, so I'm not need to be standing up and going to different places to get things done. So this is it. The last time I made it, I actually forgot to place my pattern on top of my material before joining it together. So I made some mistakes, which I will not like to make this time. So I decided to place it and before sewing it. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm placing the pattern on top of the material, the jean material itself. Then after sewing it together, I used a hard breast pad to cut exactly what I had cut on the material, to cut on the breast pad, and use it and sew it together. I actually just stitch it together. Then I went ahead and ironed it out flat. Look how neat it looks. Like you see you see how neat it looks. Then this is the pad. I already ironed my breast part to the main material itself. For me, that is much easier than actually joining it and pinning it down. This is more easier for me, so that's why I'm doing like that. It looks like so beautiful. I love it. So guys, this is how it looks after joining the cup to the main body and ironing it out. The bias I use for the boning part is so lovely, and I'm still going to add an extra second bias for a boning at the center. So this is the final look of the recycled jean corset. It came out lovely. It was neat, but I'll not be able to wear it for now.